According to the U.S. Census, nearly 1 out of 5 people in St. Joseph live below the poverty line. Here's more on how Community Action Partnership works to aid those who are low income and help get them to a path of financial stability.
St. Joe Proud, highlighting the good in St. Joe, sponsored by Altec.
And our mission is to serve the community, but also to get the community to engage with us. It makes such a difference in people's lives.
Since 1965, Community Action Partnership of Greater St. Joseph has been supporting low-income individuals and families in Andrew, Buchanan, Clinton, and DeKalb counties.
It was started as a way to combat local causes of poverty, and we have programs that meet the needs of our community.
CAP serves over 4,000 people a year, assessing the barriers that keep our community members from reaching their full potential and providing services that allow them to create a path to success and self-sufficiency.
Our focus is primarily on people with low incomes and working with them on whatever barrier they have to employment or gaining higher incomes. A lot of the times that's education, helping people get into the workforce, helping people skill up. Right now, like I said, our biggest program is Head Start and Early Head Start. We have about 375 kids that we serve every day through Head Start and Early Head Start to get those families ready to be lifelong learners, be successful in the school systems.
We have a low-income heating and energy assistance program that really helps a lot of people in the community with state funds that we can direct to their accounts to help them with the high energy costs that we have, especially during the winter. We also have a housing program. We are actually in the process of creating a tiny home village for our homeless population. And we have a new senior complex that we've gone into partnership with a builder that is creating a new senior complex for seniors to have affordable housing here in St. Joe.
While there are so many services available for community members to take advantage of, even if there's a service you need that CAP doesn't offer, they're here to find and connect you with an organization that can help.
I have a lot of friends across town that, they'll see somebody that needs something. They're like, I don't know how CAP can help you, but let me get a hold of CAP. And typically we're always able to find something. So, if you see somebody that needs something or that is struggling, it may not be a service that we directly provide, but send them to us. We can get them where they need to be connected.
CAP wants us to remember that anyone can fall on hard times at any point in their life, which is why it's important to have compassion and grace for one another and provide support to those in need.
There are people that are living well that all of a sudden may lose their job and they may not have enough set aside to be able to maintain their life. And the next thing you know, they're living in a car with their children. This is just not acceptable. So our mission is to make sure that nobody, regardless of their economic status, falls into that.
Since COVID, the COVID pandemic and the recessions that we've experienced in the past, I think a lot more people understand that you're one kind of disaster away from being in those shoes. And so how you treat people is very important. Funding goes up and goes down, but making sure that we can meet the needs of our community is very important.
And Kilgore adds that it's important to raise awareness to the work CAP is doing, because when we address and find solutions for the issues our neighbors are facing, we improve the quality of life for everyone who resides in our community.
And as human beings, we have to support each other. These are some difficult times that we're going through, some really challenging times. And we have to be there for one another. We have to create a community of people that understand that regardless of our differences in beliefs and backgrounds, that we are all in the same boat together.
St. Joe Proud, highlighting the good in St. Joe, sponsored by Altec.
To learn more about Community Action Partnership, you can visit their website at capstjo.org, or you can call their administrative office at 816-233-8281.